So we're in Clovis, California. Just finished installing a Kohler Cimarron toilet, and this was provided by the homeowner straight out of Lowe's. So these are, I like these toilets. It's got the undermount brackets, so there's no bolts through tank. And sorry, there's no light here, but so it's got this metal bracket in there, and so those bolts don't penetrate the tank, which is kind of nice. You know, one of the things that do wear out when you have bolts sitting in water is just corrodes away, and then the bolts get bad, it starts leaking, and you have to rebuild it. So that just eliminates it. Anyways, we left the existing valve in place. That's not ours. We did put a brand new 3/8 by 7/8 by 20-inch braided stainless steel supply. That's a Fluid Master, and didn't have to shim this toilet all the way around. It sits nice and flat on this floor, and so a very sturdy bowl. And then of course tank we're not worried about because it's not, doesn't have any brackets or any bolts in the tank. And then of course you can see here, you know, we've got it right up to the full water line there, and so it is filling correctly, shutting off correctly, and flushing correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done.